Well, this experiment worked out so well. It's insane. I think that discovering that the satin enamels reacts so much like this, and then working up a mix to make it work and not take over, but just to like create crazy effects like that, it's like it's just heaven for my eyeballs. It's insane. Whoa. And this is so small. And I am going bigger, you guys. Stay tuned for the dried result. Let's hope this doesn't change too much. So I'm back with the dried result, and it dried exactly the same. It's gorgeous. The blue is very dark though. And you see, when I go to the side, you see there's a line. There's like a line all the way through there. It's kind of weird because it's not like under the white. It's, I don't know, I can't explain that line, but I like it. And I'm just gonna turn it around because you guys are gonna see it's a totally different feeling. Like if I put it like that. There. I love it that way too. I think I like it more. Time to go bigger. All right, hope you guys like this. Have a good one.